TPE 9, Instructional Planning. Question 7. Select 3 examples of instructional strategies used in the lesson. What are the purposes, strengths, and limitations of each practice as used in this lesson with the specific students described in the students and teaching context? Okay, for this question, you will need to refer to the sample theorist activities that were a part of 6B. So those 3 theorists, the summaries, you're going to want to use that to study for this particular question. You're also going to want to use the list of EL strategies so that you can help identify certain instructional strategies. Now the rubric says 4.2 that you've described in general terms the purposes, strengths, and limitations of 3 selected instructional strategies used in the lesson plan. So you want to be sure that you also relate your comments to students in grades 4 through 8 in general. There are some examples of how you can bullet point these answers in the study guide. For a 3, the difference in the rubric is that you are describing instead of in general terms but in more specific terms, and you're also directly relating information to the students' backgrounds and language abilities as described in the students in the teaching context section. Again, there are some examples of what you can write for this question in the study guide.